Yo, ladies and gentlemen and ladies, welcome to today's video. A couple months ago, Synth Carbon sent me some appliques and some mirror caps. Unfortunately, the mirror caps are for an SI or a touring. Synth Carbon was kind enough to send me ones for the sport. Let's run to the shop, throw them on. So we need to remove the factory caps, which are very easy. I'll show you how to do it. Check these things out. These things are actually really cool. Now, when we take this off, I'm gonna flip it over here and show you. There's a tab here in the end, here, and a couple up and through here. So when you take off this cap, you know what you're looking for, right? Now you could use a panel tool. I'm just gonna use my fingers. It's extremely easy, but you gotta be careful because you could break these tabs and you don't wanna break the tabs. So I'm just gonna kind of push in on the bottom part. That will leave this edge open to get in there. And then I'm just gonna push this way. Now your mirror does sway back and forth, so if you need to move it, you can move it around. So this side's off now. I'm gonna hold the bottom, run my fingers across the back here until you get enough up top here to where you can grab it, pull it off lightly, gently as possible. This back corner is in there a little tighter than I thought it would be, but oh no! Oh. Ah, it's good. Woo! Okay, good. As you can see, nothing's broken. Everything is good. All right, let's throw her on and see what she looks like. And you're just gonna slide it right back on just like you took that one off. They fit better than I thought they would. You're gonna have to manipulate the mirror plastic just to get this to slide on in certain places. Not a problem. So if you guys are interested in a set of these, I'll leave a link to Synth Carbon in the description below. Make sure to hit them up, tell them I sent you.